Hello, I am Ankit Mehra from Stylex, a firefighting solution company since 1987 with a track record of zero life loss. Today I am here to talk something simple, however little uncomfortable too. We have been seeing many incidents around fire safety when it comes to the residential sector. We have been seeing homes catching fire, air conditioners bursting, Dwarka home fire tragedy, and many more. The truth is, most home fires don't start that big, they start very small. And there is a lot that can be done in that time. For an example, fire due to short circuit, fire due to a flame in the kitchen, or an electrical appliance which has got overheated and resulted into fire. These all start very small, and a lot of actions can be done at home when these can be in control. However, there is a gap. We have adopted modern living, high-end furnitures, soft furnishings, centralized air conditioning, all inspired from five-star hotels. However, we have ignored to bring fire safety into our homes. Yes, the ask is a one small fire extinguisher that can be there as a first aid in your house. We rely on alarms, we rely on sprinklers installed in our apartments. However, we never know that these sprinklers are not designed for early stage fire. Yes, we conducted a market survey. We spoke to homeowners. We realized they were not aware that an extinguisher could be placed in a house. Some people were not aware which brand to buy. Some were not even aware how to use it. And the most tragic thing was that people didn't want a traditional red color extinguisher to be placed in their home because it did not match their interiors. And that's where we decided to bring out India's first designer fire extinguisher, Fire Roko. Something that blends into your space without disrupting it, something you won't hide. And while doing this, we ensured it performed when it matters the most. We got the product certified, we got the product tested in the reliable labs in India. We also worked with the interior designer and architect Saurabh Khurana from Plugged and Amber Sharma from Tagged. We all teamed to understand how the modern homes are built, how the extinguisher's design will fit in, the color, the material, how everything will be amalgamated in the interior with the help of the decors. Ladies and gentlemen, we are on a mission. One extinguisher in every home. Not hidden, not ignored. However, placed where it can save a life. Because in a fire, the smallest moment decides everything. This is Fire Roko, the safety you won't hide.